Hey guys, it's SG64 and today we're going to be playing I Am Cat. And I added my own sound effects. It's been so long since my first ever video, the Mario one. Let's start. Alright, so I'm going to go pick up this white pot. Okay, I'm going to go throw it out that door. Yeah, come on, Granny. Come fight me. I was causing such a big mess earlier today in this game. She's so dramatic. Alright. Yeah. I'll grab a knife. I'm just gonna wait till she gets like over here. No, I'm gonna grab this one. Should I throw it in? No, I'm gonna go get her. Go. Go, go, go. Get her. There we go. So the actual I Am Cat game is actually a VR. This one is the mobile version, which has some different controls and doesn't have that glitch where you can walk into walls whenever you pause. And plus this has ads. That is extremely boring. Alright, take her down. Alright, I'm gonna go over there and knock down some bottles. It's kind of like Gorilla Tag, said Kalis, the YouTuber. Alright, I'm just gonna grab this and throw it over there. Oh my gosh, she's coming. I haven't played Gorilla Tag, but it looks fun. You just use your hands to push yourself to go wherever you want. Oh my god, grab it, come on. Okay, alright, that's good. Oh, my orientation just changed. I'm gonna go back. Alright. It's because of Nad. I'm gonna grab this and throw it back at her. Just wait till she wakes up. I think. Okay, throw it. I'm gonna throw it. Oh dang it! I missed. Oh come on. Okay. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab this cat poop, which wasn't even me. So why is it still there? Okay. I wish you could open her mouth in the mobile version of this game. Alright. I'm just gonna put it in here to see what the fish are gonna do. Yeah, they don't even know who I am. Alright. Get out. I'm gonna go over here. Bruh. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.